Well, if you don't remember a few years ago, JGR or Joe Gibbs Racing was a team that raced supercross. They ran the Suzuki program and since has fallen away since Suzuki is now Twisted Tea and Progressive, whatever, blah, 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 blah. But as of today, as of yesterday, as I'm reading this, Steve Mathis says this. The rumor, quote, we could see the JGR guys back and running the Ducati program in the USA, which is pretty damn cool if you ask me, because obviously this year Ducati is doing the Italian championships, and I think it's 2025 or 26 that they're coming over here. Maybe 25 for MXGP and 26 they're coming over here. If I'm wrong or if I'm right, whatever. Somebody correct me in the comments below if you know exactly the dates for this. But it's kind of cool. Obviously, Joe Gibbs Racing, a big NASCAR thing, and for a long time they were a big thing in Supercross. The one person running the Suzuki team, a lot of money behind it. And then, Suzuki just kind of is Suzuki. I mean, obviously they still run a kickstart and yeah, it's just one of those things. They've dealt with, let's see here, Yamaha and Suzuki in the past, but the question is like, honestly now, Ducati being a wholly untested outdoor or off-road brand, let's put it that way. They are incredible, an incredible race brand right now with MotoGP, WSBK, even Moto America over here in the US. I mean, any sort of road racing, they are building absolute rocket ships right now. If you haven't seen it, go look. I mean, seriously, MotoGP, they are the fastest bike around. WSBK, same thing. Like it's just an absolute rocket ship in a straight line. And I don't think that the dirt bike that they're going to create or they have created or whatever you want to call it is going to be by any means slow. Obviously, you don't really have this kind of like straight line racing that road course does, but you still have to have the power and off the start it should be a pretty good bike and it looks great. I think it looks really nice. That's the MXGP or sorry, the Italian bike at the moment, the sponsorships and everything. I think it looks like a great bike. That's me. Comments below again, your opinion on it. Are you happy about them coming into the sport? Could you care less? Do you wish they did a different color than red? I know there's a bunch of stuff like that, but I think this is cool. If it's true, then who knows? I mean, they're coming either way, so it just kind of depends on who's going to put the effort into building a team around it, or whatever you want to call it. But in the comments below, you guys tell me. Like I said, are you excited for this? Were you around when JGR was doing the Suzuki stuff? Um, you tell me. Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.